Good morning. Today is 22nd April, Wednesday. We are talking about success as a human potential instinct. I am talking in the context of young people. You are a young person now. Your long term goal is to live for another 80 years, maybe even 100 years, by attaining success in coming days. Why I am saying is that this one, while you are living as a young person today, please do not create a base that would spoil your enjoyment of future life while you would be reaching success. Young age is a basement age. You are making a building, now the younger ages people are making the foundations. So, any mistake during this foundation part will have a long term effect in our success. I am drawing your focus on your present life as a young person so that when you become a successful person in future, you can enjoy the fruits of success very peacefully. Hence, as a young man, how to avoid future failures is our study now. In my last lecture, we discussed about reputation or goodwill to the person in their society without which success is not attained. Now I am coming to the point that in future fear may become cause of failure due to our actions done now. In fact, fear is a enemy to the enjoyment of success. You should know what is fear. You may be knowing it, even then I want to tell you. What is fear? Fear is an emotion created inside our heart, our body, or in mind due to a feeling that we might be damaged, we may be harmed, we may be injured, or we may be put into loss, or we may feel pain because of certain outside attacks. In this topic, I am trying to I would try to say that fearful persons are not considered as successful. And I have seen good number of people that they reached a very good position, but their younger age mistakes has spoiled their success. For example, Mr. X is a senior person in an institution today. He is a qualified engineer, but knows he only knows that he obtained a basic experience certificate or community certificate that he was holding was a fictitious one. These certificates are a basic documents on which one makes his future. But he only knows that his basic certificate was obtained due to wrong practices. He would live always in fear for his whole life, even though he is good in his position as for today. So, what I am telling is that the foundation should be made in a proper way. We should avoid blunders in younger ages of life. It is true that taking risk is required for building a very good life. At the same time, when to go for the risk is very much important. Because the foundation of a life building should not be on weak foundations. Your today's blunders should not be a reason for your future fear. So, in young ages, we should make tough and right foundations so that fear is not created in future due to the blunders done during the young ages or teenagers. So, if you put a question why people develop fear of failures, the answer would be that they are not confident of their own earlier actions. Hence, they fear. You can see so many leaders, so many political people, or so many very executives are facing lot of problems because they did not properly manage their marriage, or they did not properly get in students' life, they did certain blunders or mistakes, a criminal cases going on against them. You can see all these things. That is why I am telling you, during the young ages, it would be wiser on our part to avoid such risky action that will spoil our foundation of future life. This is very much important. It is not a discouraging statement. What I am telling is our action should be very calculative. We should know the background of the constitution, human life, customs, everything. Deciding these things, we should make our human relations, associations with the people, attend places accordingly. We should limit our circle or actions towards our longer goal. These are important. If you want to make a very good, successful career or profession or business, something, till the age of 2021, your action should be very, very calculative, very calm and quiet. You should gain a very good name. And after 21, 22, if required, you may think of taking risk for developing a future. That too I will say if required. The whole life man should do only right things so that the fear is not created inside of him. He has to be bold, that we will see afterwards. But our action should not be so that creates long term fear inside our mind, inside our body, inside our heart. That we have to focus while you are young. That is my advice while you are dealing with your potential, human potential of sense of attaining success. Okay, goodbye. Again, we'll see you tomorrow with the another point. Please note all my small lectures are given in very short, so that you go through all the things, you hear the full one. In your lectures, there is small thing. You may think that I am giving a very issues on conservative line. It is not so actually. I am saying that risk has to be taken when it is required, and risk has to be calculated. That is what I am telling. Okay, goodbye. See you again. Thanks for hearing me. Please try to see my things. I will request the parents also, request the students and the younger generation. Please go through my pages whenever you feel bored or whenever you require a motivation of these topics. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.